Imagine turning a simple love for organizing into a thriving business that transforms lives and earns you a steady income. Today, we'll share two inspiring stories of people who started with nothing but their skills and passion and grew their organizing services into successful ventures, proving that even the smallest niche can lead to big rewards. Stick around to learn how they did it and how you can too. Welcome to Humane Startups Free Side Hustles, where we deem a maximum $50 budget acceptable as free. Audra George, a former physical therapist, turned her passion for organization into a thriving business called Pretty Neat, an organizational solution. Starting with limited resources, she faced challenges like attracting clients and learning the ropes of business operations. Audra overcame these hurdles by investing in continuous learning, seeking mentorship, and leveraging her understanding of how an organized environment improves well-being. Her persistence paid off, leading to an impressive 800% growth in her second year. Through strategic team building and consistent online presence, Audra transformed countless spaces while inspiring others to find clarity in organization. Her story proves that dedication and adaptability can turn a simple idea into a life-changing success. Emily Preciado Fonseca, a mother and professional organizer, founded Mom Assist to address a unique pain point, helping overwhelmed mothers declutter and organize their homes. Drawing from her personal struggles and background in advertising, Emily provided practical, judgment-free solutions to simplify her clients' lives. She focused on sustainable systems like contained drop zones and adaptable storage, earning trust through relatable experiences and educational outreach. Emily's ability to combine personal insight with professional expertise turned Mom Assist into a beacon of calm for busy families, proving that solving a specific problem with empathy and expertise can create a powerful impact.
The first step in building your closet organizing side hustle is identifying your market. Your ideal clients are individuals who value a tidy, organized home but lack the time, knowledge, or motivation to tackle it themselves. This includes working professionals managing tight schedules, busy parents balancing work and family life, and older adults looking to simplify their spaces. For example, a professional might be willing to pay $50, $100 to reclaim their closet space and reduce daily stress. Focus on local areas where there's a mix of middle-income households, such as neighborhoods with young professionals or growing families, and use platforms like Nextdoor or Facebook groups to connect with these audiences. Choosing a niche is crucial for standing out. By focusing specifically on closet decluttering and organizing, you're targeting a manageable, high-impact area that solves a common pain point. Unlike whole house cleaning, organizing closets takes just 2 to 3 hours, making it a perfect fit for a side hustle limited to 15 hours per week. The demand for such services is increasing due to trends like minimalism and the popularity of home organization influencers like Marie Kondo. For example, optimizing a small closet by introducing labeled bins, color-coded sections, and hanging organizers can provide instant visual satisfaction for a client, creating a wow factor they are willing to pay for. To start with just $50, focus your budget on affordable essentials and marketing. Allocate $30 or $1 basic organizing tools like bins, baskets, and labels from dollar stores or discount retailers. For instance, 3 5-fabric bins and a pack of labels can transform a disorganized closet. Use the remaining $20 to print simple flyers or business cards using free design tools like Canva and distribute them at local coffee shops, gyms, or libraries. Additionally, leverage free social media platforms like Instagram and Facebook to market your services, showcasing before and after photos to attract your first paying clients. By staying within this budget and targeting a clear niche, you'll set a strong foundation for your business with minimal upfront costs. To get started, begin small and test your services with minimal risk. Offer your organizing skills to friends, family members, or neighbors for free, or at a discounted rate to build a portfolio. Focus on small closets that take 2-3 hours to declutter and reorganize, ensuring you stay within your 15-hour weekly limit. For example, if you organize 3 closets in 1 week, spending 2 to 3 hours per project, you'll not only refine your skills, but also collect before and after photos. These photos act as powerful testimonials to demonstrate your value to future paying clients. Testing in this way allows you to perfect your process from assessing the closet to delivering a stunning transformation, all without upfront client pressure. Once you've tested your approach, focus on securing your first paying customers. Start by offering a first closet special for $50, a fair price that fits your target audience's budget while delivering significant value. Use local networks like Facebook groups, Nextdoor, or word of mouth to find clients looking for simple, affordable solutions to their clutter problems. For example, a busy mom or a young professional might jump at the chance to have their space organized for a reasonable rate. After completing each job, ask for written or video testimonials and permission to share photos. Offering a small incentive like 5 off their next session can encourage referrals to their friends and family, building momentum for your side hustle. To market creatively, maximize free tools and local outreach. Use social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok to share transformation stories. Post eye-catching before and after photos of closets with captions like, "Imagine starting every day with this organized space." Use hashtags such as #AClosetGoals and declutter your life to reach a wider audience. Print simple flyers and place them in high traffic spots like coffee shops, gyms, or community bulletin boards. For added creativity, collaborate with real estate agents or moving companies to offer organizing services for new homeowners or renters. By combining word of mouth, local networking, and visually impactful online marketing, you can attract consistent clients without spending beyond your initial $50 budget. Building consistency is key to sustaining and growing your closet organizing service. Develop a simple, repeatable process for every job. Assess the closet, declutter unnecessary items, and reorganize using affordable solutions like bins, dividers, and labels. Set a fixed time limit of 23 hours per closet to ensure efficiency, and manage your 15-hour weekly schedule. For example, completing 5 projects per week at 50 each generates $250, a steady income for a side hustle. Maintain high-quality results by delivering organized, visually appealing spaces that solve your clients' problems. Always take before and after photos and request testimonials to showcase consistency in your work, which builds trust and attracts repeat clients. To expand your reach, focus on both organic growth and strategic partnerships. Utilize social media platforms like Instagram and TikTok to share short videos and posts featuring your transformations, targeting trending hashtags like #AClosetGoals and organized living to engage a broader audience. Collaborate with local businesses such as real estate agents, furniture stores, or moving companies to offer your services as an add-on for new homeowners, renters, or those downsizing. For example, a real estate agent could recommend your $50 service to clients preparing their homes for sale, you're earning you exposure to new paying customers. Additionally, offer referral incentives like 10% off for every new client to encourage word of mouth promotion from satisfied customers. Reinvesting in growth ensures your side hustle evolves into a more sustainable business. Use the income generated from your first projects to upgrade your supplies. Spending $100 on better quality storage bins, hanging dividers, or label makers to improve the finished product. Consider investing in professional marketing tools such as a basic website or paid social media ads to attract higher paying clients. For example, reinvesting $50 into boosted Facebook or Instagram ads could help you secure 2-3 new clients in a week, generating $150 in revenue. As demand increases, you can also hire a part-time assistant to help with multiple projects, effectively scaling your business while keeping it manageable within your time constraints. By consistently reinvesting and refining your process, this side hustle can grow into a reliable, long-term income stream.
Starting a niche closet organizing service is a low-cost, high-impact side hustle that anyone can launch with just 50 and 15 hours a week. By targeting busy individuals, like professionals, parents, or downsizers, you solve a specific pain point, transforming cluttered closets into organized, stress-free spaces. Begin by offering affordable, efficient services, using basic tools like bins and labels, and build your reputation through before and after photos, referrals, and creative marketing on platforms like Instagram or local community boards. As you gain momentum, reinvest your earnings to upgrade supplies, expand your reach through partnerships with real estate agents or movers, and consistently deliver results that wow your clients. With dedication, this small service can generate steady income, grow organically, and inspire others to embrace the joy of decluttered spaces. Imagine turning your eye for detail and a couple of hours a week into a business that pays you and changes lives. You don't need fancy tools, a big budget, or tons of time, just a willingness to start. Closets might seem small, but the impact you create is huge: a peace of mind, reclaimed space, and grateful clients who can finally breathe again. So, why not you? Start small, show up consistently, and watch your efforts transform spaces, wallets, and your own future. The next success story could be yours. Thank you for watching this video. Drop your wildest ideas in the comments and subscribe to see them come to life. I hope one day I can show you the dream, where ideas come alive and gleam, where each spark can start a fire and lift us higher.
I can show you the dream, where ideas come alive and gleam, where each spark can start a fire and lift us higher. Imagine all we could do, from a spark that's bold and true, turning hopes into reality. Just wait and see. A world we'll build, it's bright and shining.